I want to take a look at the screen. When you get here, you're going to be almost done. How do I know that? Because look down here at this box, this gray rectangle. It's broken up into 3 parts. Read to understand, read to analyze, and read to write. Those are your 3 days that you're going to be working on this lesson. So today, it's Wednesday, you're only working on this first box. Read to understand. Page 5 of 5. So you're almost done. That's how I know. Don't go on and do the rest because that's how you're going to get bad grades. I see the people doing the very first box today. Read to analyze, we're going to do tomorrow. And read to write, we're going to do on Friday. Every person that has followed directions and have done 1 box a day has gotten an A+. So take your time. There's no rush. Get a good grade. All right, work hard, and I'll see you back.